Hey everybody, my name is Alex with Hake Hardware. I am bringing you another GPU cleaning video. Today we have the Zotac GTX 465. We are going to give this thing the full treatment, new thermal pads, new thermal paste. We will then clean out all the debris, the dirt, all the gross nastiness from the past 10 plus years of this card's life. And I will show all of that to you in a sped up video in a moment, and then I will do some post cleaning benchmarks and we'll be able to see if there was any improvements from all of that cleaning. So let's jump into the cleaning and I'll see you afterwards.
All right, I have the results here for the two benchmarks. The pre-cleaning was 1940, post-cleaning 1984. Not really a big enough change to show any sort of improvements. In fact, looking at the average temperatures, it was warmer after cleaning versus pre-cleaning. This is likely influenced a lot by the ambient temperature since the tests only run for 30 seconds to a minute. The Firestrike tests are pretty short. I'm going to be doing longer benchmarks in the future to really, since what I'm trying to see here is, does the new thermal paste, does cleaning out all that dust, does it really make a difference on these older cards? New cards, of course, they're not going to matter too much, but the paste gets really dry. Like, I don't know if you saw in the videos, it doesn't always show as easily, but it almost just flakes off. So my hope was we'd see a pretty big difference in thermals, but honestly, a lot of these cards are probably, for such a short test, going to be fine. So let's make it a little bit more difficult for all the cards going forward. We'll do sort of a longer benchmark just to see what's going on. I'll probably still run the Fire Strike tests, but I'm also going to do Furmark, which you can do some stress tests, loop it through like 20 or so different tests to see how the card does. It doesn't give maybe as nice of a UI like this one. It's really cool. You can do the side by side. I'll probably have to do like screenshots and we'll just kind of compare them next to each other. But we'll still continue to do this one as well in case we see some interesting results. So that's the video. I will see you in the next one.